Hi, what you see here is an Excel macro file that I created to play the casino roulette. Its main function is to find the best betting option to place on your specific bet size. And this case here, I've found that works best is by placing bets on a basket, a street, and three lines with a second column is the optimal scenario. The street has an 8% chance of hitting, basket 8, second column 32%, and a line of 16% chance. And with this scenario, this is what you return will be. How I found it was I run the bet analyzer script, and about 10 seconds later, it would show me the outcome. And just go through here and filter to find the best outcome. I found this one here. I just copy and paste it over. I tweaked it so um, make it a little bit more steady, reliable. I used a 40 cents, 60 cents, 20 cents, and a $2 bet combination for a total of $3.60 a bet. And let's test it out and see how it happens. What happens? So we're gonna play this bet for 37 times in a row, representing the 37 numbers on the board. And after 37 spins, this is what the outcome will be. So right now we're playing 37 individual games with 37 spins in total. Okay, after a 30-second game, we ran into a loss of 1260. And keep on going, and you can see that it recovers a loss. And after 37 games, it still ends up positive. So, in conclusion, I would say that this is a profitable system, easy to play and reliable and safe. And hope you use it and make some money. Thanks. Bye.